In Herresvang, every Tuesday afternoon the Church of the Holy Spirit hosts a workshop for locals called The Gathering Place, or in Danish, Samlingsstedet. It consists of different workshops such as knitting, patchwork, painting and card games, although the card club, as it is referred to, was not present this Tuesday. The painting team, this season without a teacher, was present.
Because I want to paint, and I like it, and I enjoy it. I like it very much, and it's very relaxing for me to come here. An old picture I want to make different because I'm not happy about that one, so I want to change it a little bit. I think I've been here for 5 years, about 5 years here, and then I have been in another place for 10 years. But that was, I make glass on glass, paint on glass. It's nice, and we enjoy, and we have a good time here, and I miss it in the summertime, and look forward to come here in wintertime to every week. It's very nice.
There is a Christian twist to all the activities. It is the church personnel who arrange them, sometimes the vicars, sometimes volunteers or people from the local church council.
At man får snakket alt muligt mellem dem man kommer ved, og dem der kommer her, de kommer jo også fra forskellige lag. Så at mennesker har hele tiden og omkring en, og der er ingen, der behøver at kæde sig heroppe på nogen som helst måde. Fordi hvis der er en, der sidder alene, så kommer man hen og siger, er noget galt med dig i dag? Og ja, så begynder man at snakke, og så man føler, altså man får noget, og man giver noget.
These days, the Church of the Holy Spirit experiences far more people in church on Sundays than the average Danish church does. The church-related activities, for the young as well as for the old, might be part of the explanation.